Hello everyone, you are on Nagesh English Word. How to learn English? This is a billion dollar of question in your mind because English is not our mother tongue. We born India. We knew the language which is around us, but we are beyond the English. So that's why still getting confusion how to learn English because it's a universal language wherever you go, whether it could be interview, shopping, abroad, wherever you go, English required. But our India, few people still getting confusion to learn English because few are born in rural area. The medium of instruction was Telugu. So whenever this is happen to speak English, they get confusion, the second scared. So that is the phobia, negative impact on language that we are behind this. So few things, remember that you have been telling that I did not study in English medium. That is not a fact because you did not study in English medium, but wherever you go, when you open your mobile, all application in English, when you use laptop, everything in English. At least those who are driving like Ola, Uber, for them also everything is there in English. Then how do you manage all these things? So here my question is, English surrounded by us, the only one thing we are beyond means we are not focusing on how to learn English. So what else can you do if you want to learn? What is the criteria? Which area do you want to get command? And whether it could be like grammar, vocabulary, and any other things in English. So avoid all these things. The focus on commitment towards your English. So how long do you practice in a day? What are the things? So we'll list out if how do you go to get fluency, but how much do you practice? Here, if you want to get command on English, the only weapon, only method, practice. There is no behind it. Only one thing, practice. So how do you practice English? There are so many ways. So few people advise that watch English subtitle movie, but you have been watching entire days movies with subtitle, but no matter, no result, no use, because you have been watching for entire day, but you are not grabbing anything from that. So this is a fact. So my suggestion, watch English title movies or web series, serial, anything, but watch for 20 minutes and do not go for next step. Again, pause it, repeat the same video, whether it would be movie, serial, web series, whatever it, because when you keep on watching frequently one thing for 20 minutes, if you are unable to watch 20 minutes, come back for 10 minutes, repeat again and again, then you will get command. So when you watch all these things, first thing you should learn from that, you will get fluency on that word, because non native speaker of English, they use vocabulary and pronunciation different way. So keep on watching only the same thing, do not go further. So make a habit. First, commit yourself. You are going to watch movies certain time, but make sure 20 minutes without fail. Do not go for different content. Focus on only one content. After watching, just practice whatever you watched. Practice whatever you watched and the whatever the way. And if you feel if there is no partner with you, stand in front of mirror, or else open your mobile, turn on the record and speak what comes from your mouth, what comes from your mind, because you are recording video but you are not going to post anywhere else. So you are the master for yourself, and keep checking it. Definitely will get good result within a short time. The second one, read aloud, because if you want to get fluency, First, you should know how to tune the word, where to start annotation, where to increase and decrease. By reading, you will get that thought in your mind automatically. No need to ask advice this and that people. Read aloud. So here, many people getting confusion. They are, when they start reading, they look into the paragraph and getting confusion. So my suggestion is, do not read hurry burry. So start the letter from where until full stop. Read one word, one word. Don't go hurry burry. Don't go for, don't look for mastery over the night. It's very difficult. Read one word, then go to another word, then another word. So still you are getting challenges, unable to get command and reading skill. See, find the sentence and count the how many words are there in that sentence till full stop. For example, there are five words in sentences. Right? First read. Take a pencil and write with pencil. Number one, two, three, four, five, six. So first read one word, then second. Okay, come back. One, two. Again one, two, three. Again one, two, three, four. Again one, two, three, four, five. Last one, two, three, four, five, six. So you have read all these six words. Now start slowly, like once upon a time there was a king in Hyderabad kingdom. So don't look for hurry worry, don't go hurry worry, just read slowly. So our intention to refine English means polishing your language. When you want to polish, that is example, when you go and get polish your shoe, for single coating doesn't work. That's what they do, different flavor on that. The ultimately you will get good polish on your shoes. Same formula apply to your language. So this is the strategy. Read aloud and slowly put a number. You may get confusion. So many are giving different kind of strategy what to follow. So whomsoever giving strategy, so they are sharing their own experience because they are able to speak. They became master by putting a lot of effort. So whatever you like, so choose all the opinion and select which is better you, which is convenient for you. Go through that, you will be master. Whatever the strategy doesn't matter, but here matter is your effort, your practice toward polishing your language. There is no shoe polish for language, your practice is a polish for your language. So read aloud. So then after, what else can you do? You may remember few things. So do not read more than one paragraph. So here problem with you people, when we want, when we ask you to read the few certain thing, you people keep on reading 1,000 pages in a month, it doesn't work. Read one paragraph and list out the vocabulary which is unfamiliar to you. So know the meaning synonym of that word, and when situation comes, use these sentences, this vocabulary in your day-to-day life speaking, then you will get good command. So first thing, watch the video with subtitle at least 20 minutes. Do not go more than that. More length, don't go entire lengthy of movie. Go for at least 10 or 20 minutes and keep watching again and again whatever you watched earlier. Read one paragraph with a number and list out the vocabulary which is unfamiliar to you. Then talk to yourself, because these days everybody wish their life, nobody has time. So talk to yourself. So what else can you talk? So whatever, when you go out, observe the around you, what is happening. Bus going from here to there, some train is moving different place to another place. So whatever that thing happening, somebody walking on the road, some wife and husband fighting each other, what kind of, while they are aggressive, they use different kind of unparliamentary language. Try to convert in English. It's not my suggestion to watch those people who are fighting each other, they are mad actually. Don't focus on those people, just I'm telling. So while this thing, talk to yourself what is happening. Then again, write something whatever you observe entire day. So write in your own language. So you will get a command on it. The finally make mistake, because the moment you are going to enhance your English, in between you will get many barrier, many struggle, and somebody going to criticize you. Doesn't matter, least bother about other opinion, not only for learning English but also in your personal life. Other people give opinion. When you are good with them, they will talk about you positive. When they're talking about positive in front of you, you will get some enthusiasm, but it does not give single NP. This is also same. While making mistake, they may criticize you. Least bother about it, because your intention, your goal to refine your language, not to get appreciated by somebody else. So this is the strategy. Don't go for much rule and regulation in grammar. Don't read many books. Read only one book relevant to grammar, and definitely you will get good command. So whatever I'm sharing, this is the experience we did. I did effort in this way. I became such a master in English. Thank you for watching Nagesh English World. Keep watching Nagesh English World. We'll get different videos upcoming days. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye, guys.